Hello. Let's practice these alphabets that are not written in here. For example, he. After he comes what? Who, right? So who, he, ha, he, ho. Second one is le, lu, li. Let's fill up this one. La should be shorter. Le, le, lo. He, who, he, ha, he, ho. Me, because this is ma, right? Me, mu, mi, ma, me, mi, mo. Re, ru, ri, ra. Re, r, ro. Se, su, si, sa. Se, si. Look at this one carefully. It's not straight. Should be inclined or slanted. Si, so. She, shu, she, sha. She, sh, sho. Ke, because this is ke. Ke, ku, ki, ka, ke, ke, ko. Khe, ku, ki, ka, khe, ro. Be, bu, bi, ba, be, bi, bo. Ve, vu, vi. It's the same like verb, we just add that line on the top. Va, ve, vivo. Te, tu, ti. Ta, te, tu, to. Che, chu, chi. Cha, chi, che, chi, cho. Ne, nu, ni, na, ne, 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 no. Okay. Nye, nyu, nyi, nya. It's like same like nye, nanu, but we have a line at the top. Nya, nye, nye, nya. Okay. Finally, we have a, u, e, a, e. So I want you to practice this again and again. Thank you.